What's going on, guys? My name's Sean. If you landed here, you watching Scar My Guitar. Now I'm just rubbing some tongue oil on this guy. Give it a little finish work. I'm about to jam a couple guitars out. Probably not going to get the bass done because my CNC had a part break. I gotta wait on it to get here. Finish the bass. When I got here, I want you to see this bridge. You see I did the walnut dowels instead of screws? I like the all wood thing better. Let's go check that telly out. Some guys use 1/4 inch drill bit. I like to use a 3/8 because it leaves enough room in the hole there for all the wires. That's one. I'd do that one like if I was shooting pool or something. That'll work. Good old 7/8 for the output jack. I think we can call that a wrap. So I got the neck gluing in on that guy now. Won't be long before we can jam him out. Got a little surprise for you. Remember the van I told you I was gonna buy in the last video? That guy's in the driveway. Let's go check it out. Now he's kind of ugly. Somebody really didn't treat it properly. But like I said, the back is really nice. It's almost unused here. It's got a Blaupunkt stereo system in it. Looks pretty good, but we're gonna take that back seat out. Cram a toolbox back there. And the toolbox is gonna stop right here at the end of these. So I still have these storage spaces. Pretty cool little things here. Really cool. Got our fire extinguisher and emergency air compressor over here. It's not bad. It's really nice little van. Just needs some love and care. We're gonna give it to it. It's gonna need a new step side piece here. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to find that, but I'm gonna try. Yeah, there's just no point in trying to repair that. It only has 114,000 miles on it. Purrs like a kitten. It's running right now. Runs pretty good. The headliner's nice and clean. We're gonna do something a little special to this stuff. Kathy's got some ideas. Wow, check that guy out, huh? Now I just got the strings on this guy. Haven't even intonated it yet, but I wonder what it sounds like. It's pretty close. This is Kathy's little work table over here. It's called Kathy's Corner. She got her Dremel tool over there, look. She got her little setup here. In case you're wondering what Kathy was making, it's this emblem right here for the front of the van hood. Looks pretty cool, huh? Ooh, kick it, kick it. Ooh, kick it, kick it, kick it, kick it. Everybody loves sparkles. Well, we're here, guys. This is not the gandering stage. This is the jamming stage. You see the offset color? Nice, huh? So it's got 2 volumes of push-pull and 1 tone. 3-way switch. Oh. Man, I just love the grain on that. Look at that thing. Huh. And the fretboard, man, look at that. Are you serious? T-bism in the splism. Let's jam these guys.
They just want confusion and disarray. We don't think, we just obey. Money for freedom is the price we pay. Hatred and prejudice, burnt bodies fill the trench. Protesters are out in the streets. Man's hatred's become the news. Hatred and prejudice, burnt bodies fill the trench. Protesters are out in the street. Man's hatred's become the news.
Y'all remember this guitar from the pawn shop? I ripped the frets off of it. So we can put some stainless steel ones on it. But I also took the liberty of hooking the headstock up because it was really weird looking. We'll cut that out to look like a Strat. But that fretboard looks good. So join me in a live video. We'll put some frets on this guy. We'll clean them old nasty bridge up. Look, these strings have been here so long. You can't even push them out of there. I might have to grind them things out of there. But we'll clean this bridge up and put some good saddles on it. Put some bona fide pickups in it. And we'll give it to one of you guys. Make sure you catch the live video. Hit that notification bell. I don't know when I'm going to do it. It's going to be over the next couple of days. Alright, let's go see what Hammy's talking about. I want you to check Hammy out now. I want you to see what a good watchdog he is. Hammy, watch him. Let's go. Watch him. Watch him. Come on. He gonna check the perimeter. Watch him. Watch him, baby. Look, he's got him a frog already. Let him go. He's good. Come on. Come on. Watch him. He's gonna check everything. Come on. Hey. Watch him. Come on. Watch him, bro. See him checking the perimeter? Good boy. Good boy. Don't you get that, Froggy. Come on. Hey, come along. He listens so good, don't he? Ham jam. Alright guys, that's going to conclude this episode of Scar My Guitar, but get ready because we're coming in the van. I promise you I am. I've got a couple of videos already, but if you haven't put one in, get your video in because I'm coming. And you already know I really appreciate you watching. Make sure you hit that like button and share if you can, man. It helps a whole lot. Hope you like the little jam, man. Everybody's getting political. I figured I would too. Make sure you tune in next time because I got a guy named Mike that's getting an acoustic. And we're going to be finishing up Nick's guitar. We're going to jam those two side by side. And then I'm hitting the road. Now look, I don't know if you know it or not, but I said it in the last video. Everybody that donates $10 or more to that PayPal link down here is going to get their name on the back of this van. It could be your website, whatever you want. But everybody that pulls up behind this van is going to see your name. So you're telling me you can't staple the bands on the CNC together? It just won't stay, huh?